Welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're going to learn how to do a freeze frame. Very easy, there's so many uses, so let's just get into it. First, you're going to want to select your frame. So play through your timeline, find the exact frame you want to freeze, pause the playback by pressing the spacebar or just select the frame. When you have the frame you want selected, go to Edit, Add Freeze Frame, and a new freeze frame will appear in your timeline, usually lasting about 4 seconds by default. Something I really like to do is add a little sound effect. So if you go into your sound effects, and search for record player scratching. It's a 1 second sound. Just drag that sound in between your freeze frame and your normal video clip and adjust the volume. And that's a great way to kind of tell people that you're freeze framing if you're going to do it in the video. Another thing you can do with your freeze frame is export it. Go up to the upper right hand corner and go down to save current frame. Then you can rename it, press next, and it will just save the image as a JPEG. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. I make videos every 2 weeks on Final Cut Pro tricks. I have a whole playlist below. If you're looking for more resources, just go to the description box. I have so many things listed there to help you out, freebies, all that kind of stuff. And I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks. Bye.